Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickers broadcast. Financial freedom. I'm your host, Matt Riches. It is the weekend, so you know what that means. We are continuing our weekly charting series where I am charting these $1 trillion tickers plus SPY and QQQ. They each get their own individual episode, and these are done in less than 10 minutes, on average around 7 minutes. So yesterday I did Microsoft, Google, Apple, Tesla, NVDA, QQQ, and SPY. And today I'm going to do Amazon, TSM, Meta, AVGO, BRK.B, and Walmart. This episode is for Amazon, so let's get into it, y'all. Wow, look at this chart. Just $8 from the all-time high. Look at these past 3 weeks, y'all. Up 5% last week. Up 13.6% the week prior, and up 5% before that, the week before that. Just incredible, y'all. Just an incredible run since these March 30 lows. All right, so you know how I like to chart. Start with the all-time high, put that thing on there, and then go to the line chart, because I find this is much easier to find your levels than a candlestick chart. You might too. You should go ahead and try it out. Wow, look at this flat line right here. Oh, that was the low volume around that time. Alright, let me put one more on this thing, because I don't think it's pulling back. I think it's going all the way to all-time highs next week. We keep this momentum. We had just incredible momentum these past 3 weeks. So we got to see what's going on. Though I did read on Twitter that the Strait of Hormuz is back closed now. So I don't know how much the market is going to react to that, because the market already reacted heavily to it last time, or basically since the war started. But it seemed like once the market felt that the conflict was over, that thing just ran to the moon. So I don't know how the market is going to react this time. Alright, put a couple more levels on this thing. Where did price have big reaction? That's what we are looking for. These spikes and rejections. Because usually if price did it once, next time it comes back to that level, it'll probably do it again. Price likes to repeat actions at levels. Alright, we can put a level here on the top of this Friday candle, since it rejected there very nicely. Go ahead and round up. And then we can go here. One more before all-time highs, y'all. Excuse me. And these beats are made by me, Matt Riches 510 AI Music. If you know any artists that need beats, I got those, and they slapping. Put this gap on here. If you don't want the slap, you just want the chill, soulful, I got that too. But I can make whatever kind of beat you need. Just let me know. If you can describe it, I can create it. Yeah. That's the power of AI, y'all. All right, let's get into it. Amazon currently 250.56 to the downside support. We got 250.20, 249.10, and a weekly level here at 247.40. Underneath that, we got 244.70, 243 before we hit the top of this first gap. To the upside resistance, we may have a little, let me put that on there based on this this rejection here on Tuesday. Okay, so the upside resistance, we got 52.20 followed by 252.20 followed by 254, and then 256.20, 257, and then the all-time high. All right, let's check out our smart money concepts. See what we got. Nothing. And then let's check out the algo. See what we got. The algo. This looks like the second entry on the algo at 233. So it is right at TP2 right now. So TP3, they got 264.79, which would be in the all-time high area, price discovery area. All right. So that's what we got for Amazon. Y'all set your alerts. Next up will be TSM. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.